Hey everyone, it's Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, we're going to talk about patience with investing and Cardano. If this video was valuable, please like and subscribe. It helps get the video out there. Follow me on Twitter at Invest with Fire for more up-to-date information. So first off, Cardano. Cardano is trading at $1.98 right now. And I'm seeing a lot of tweets out there, just kind of everyone harping on Cardano, right? We have goodbye ADA and good riddance, right? We have Solana taking out all these coins apparently for this meme. We have this meme right here where ADA is at the bottom of an ocean. It's kind of funny, but all the other cryptocurrencies are above it and alive, right? It looks like Cake is drowning, so that's pretty funny. But yeah, I mean, I just see a lot of tweets out there. A lot of people talking about how they're bearish about Cardano. But I guess I just want to take a look at the charts and see where we're at, you know, and talk about patience. So right now, this run-up we had, right? How long has this been? So if we just say take it from maybe from the top to where we're at right now, that's about 63 days. If we take it before that, this spans about 84 days, right? If we take, let's say, this run, right, before we had this run up, this was about 70 days, okay? Let's talk about this span where we went down, right, from after the smart contracts was implemented, that was 70 days. Let's take a couple other looks down here, especially down where we're in this, the bottom right here, right? Before ADA had its run up. I mean, if you take this span right here, this is 469 days, right? This is 728 days over this span. So my whole point was this. Is that we're just 84 days into this, right? And everyone's saying, "Oh, ADA's dead. You know, it's not doing anything." You know, we're seeing all these other coins taking market share away from ADA, and they're flipping ADA, right? Just like what this meme is showing, right? And the market cap of ADA has been going down, and ADA, I believe, is now the number 6 coin, where it used to be number 3. But I just want to talk about that. We're only 84 days after this run up. I mean, you can even say at the peak, we're only let's say we're only 63 days into this downward trend we had, but we are still about 62% from the bottom. I mean, that's a pretty damn good return. But you know, with crypto, I guess people are always expecting 1,000% gains, right? But you don't always get that, especially when the market cap of ADA is so high. And another thing to note with ADA is that the Plutus backend is being built still, and it's going to be that's going to start in November, which is today, and it's going to be finalized at the end of February, from what I heard. So this is the range. So once that Plutus backend gets implemented and these smart contracts can finally start being implemented, that's when I can see the price of ADA going up, right? We kind of talked about how going into the smart contracts, we knew that there's going to be sell the news, where everyone's going to be hyping up ADA and talking about, you know, smart contracts is finally going to get implemented. But then after that, none of the smart contracts could actually be implemented because the Plutus backend still had to be built and finalized. So right here, this is where I'm kind of expecting ADA to make some moves. And of course, this kind of depends on what Bitcoin is doing. But just looking at these spans, right? This is really important to have patience in investing. You don't want to be selling when we're going downwards, right? And especially with Cardano and the possibilities of what Cardano can do. And you should be viewing this as an opportunity to forex your money, right? Just when Cardano starts making its moves, right? People are going to be regretting it that they sold down here, and they sold their Cardano and just say they went into like Solana or something like that, you know, because Solana's pumping right now, but you don't want to be buying into Solana while it's pumping. You want to be buying right here, right when it's bottomed and flattened, and that's the time to invest, right? The time to not invest is when we're at this top and when everyone's talking about it. And patience is just one of those values that you just have to kind of work on. But it's not something you can just get overnight. So that's why when these times especially when things are pumping, I don't know if I necessarily want to hear about it all the time, but it depends on my position in it. But I always feel like once it's pumping, I feel like, oh man, I should put more money into it, right? That's what I always think. And I think like, maybe should I put a little bit more? Should I put a little bit more? Maybe it's going to go higher and higher, you know? And that's just one of the things. You got to be patient. You got to be disciplined, and know when to make your moves and know when not to make your moves. So right now, this is just another example of just how patience and discipline is so important in investing, especially with Cardano and the way it's going right now. You know, everyone's knocking on it, no one's talking about it, and everyone's saying and everyone's talking about all these other cryptocurrencies. So if this was valuable, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at InvestWithFire for more up-to-date information. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.